Hey y'all, what is up? I am Chastity, and I'm going to be doing a yellow and orange eyeshadow look for you today. And I'm going to obviously be using my dough color, Dreamin' color. That's what dough color means. I'm going to be using the dough color fantasy palette, of course, as always. 21 colors in this, and I think I'm going to be using. I should have had this more prepared. This one, I think this. And, okay, let me swatch right quick. So we're gonna do Twilight, Castle. No, it's gonna be Twilight. So that's Twilight and that's Wooding, and I'm gonna do those two colors, I think. Yeah, and then maybe I'll do like Mystery for the, which is that, for the highlight. So, y'all, your girl did not get her makeup, so let me pause. Okay, so back, right? So, okay, I hope y'all can see me good. We just gonna have to see. So, I'm gonna do my whole face. Sorry. And what was I gonna say? Oh, I'm not gonna talk through this process. I'm just going to mute the sound, and I'm just gonna show everything. You poppin', girl, you poppin'. Boy, you better pop. Ooh, baby girl, pop. Boo boo, boo boo pop. Okay, boo boo, boo boo, boo boo, pop, boo. Look at that, y'all. Boo pop, okay. I like the way the orange came down there. Put a little bit more, cause you know. Put a little bit more, cause you know. Yes, huh? Yes. Oh, a little bit of orange in there? Girl, you better work it. You better work it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, let's put some music on. y'all, so here's the look. I hope it's showing up. I'm not taking my bonnet off because I'm not ready to reveal that situation to y'all yet. And I didn't put much on my face because I really just wanted to do this yellow and orange eyeshadow. And I was like, yes, I'm going to do the brown liner with it. It looks kind of pretty. It looks like, I feel like I have evening eyes on. It looks like evening eyes. My whole face looks evening. My face looks different. Like, I look like somebody else. I don't know who I am or who I think I am right now. Y'all let me, if y'all think I look different, let me know. I look more, I feel different. And my face is breaking out like crazy. And I don't know why. It's probably hormone related. Most likely. Most of the likely. So yeah. Yeah, I didn't put that much makeup on because I just really just wanted to do the eyes. And I'm about to jump in the shower. 7:30? Oh man. I'm about to jump in the shower and just wash all this off anyway. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe as the saying goes. Share this video with those you love. Or hate. I thank you so much for watching, and please do good and be good. Be safe out there, y'all. Take care of yourselves, wear your mask, and don't get close to people, and sex is not that important. Bye.